And over the past few years, I have missed celebrating an important day of the year, National Malbec Day. Hey, welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Casara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And over the past few years, I have missed celebrating an important day of the year, National Malbec Day. But in 2025, I am being more proactive as April 17th is right around the corner. So I figured now was as good a time as any to go through some of my favorite Malbec wines to ensure everyone is prepared to celebrate. I tend to really enjoy Malbec, but for whatever reason, I don't seek it out. I don't really seek it out. I think that needs to change. Malbec, mostly from Argentina, right? And it's a lovely full-bodied red wine that is very easy to drink. The flavors tend to be black in profile, the blackberry, plums, along with some vanilla and chocolate that are due to the oak treatment that the wines get. Red fruit, can appear as well in some of the wines that are grown in the cooler climates, but the dark fruits tend to dominate. As I was compiling this list, I used $30 as the upper limit because that's usually where I play. Sometimes I'll spend above this amount, but it is pretty rare. A good example, would be the case of one of my favorites, which is Acheval Ferrer's Chimera, but that's a blend. Since this is a Malbec blend, I decided against including it, but didn't I just include it by mentioning it as my favorite? I suppose I did. Oh well, all right. Anyway, we're going to stay focused here. Here are my favorite 8 Malbec wines under $30. Acheval Ferrer, Mendoza, right? A titan of Argentinian wine. This wine remains kind of my go-to Malbec. They also make a great Cabernet Sauvignon that I've mentioned in these parts before, so keep that in mind. Terrazas Los Andes is another winner. This one just got some positive press recently as a Wine Spectator top value. Hopefully that doesn't impact the supply and make it too hard to find. Suzanne Balbo, Signature Malbec, another Argentine wine legend. These wines are on the more the elegant and silky side. Zuccardi Q, a reliable bargain and a Malbec that I have enjoyed more than once. It's just, with each vintage, I feel like they get better and better. Catena Malbec La Consulta. You could go with their base Malbec, but I feel like La Consulta just offers a little more complexity and depth. Amanchaya Grand Reserva is wonderful and criminally underpriced. Amanchaya makes a bunch of good wines. Montes' Alpha Series seems to get better each year, a Malbec that's a bit on the darker side. And I'm going to round off this list with the Salentien Reserve Malbec. I don't know if it's just that the memory of when I first tasted it was part of a tasting menu while I was in Aruba, but it never disappoints and can usually be had for under $15. Let me know if you have any favorites so I can try them too. I hope you celebrate National Malbec Day on April 17th along with me. Until next time, cheers.